In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the new Google Ads account interface back to its previous layout. This might be particularly useful if you're more familiar with the older version or find it better suited to your needs. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. You can do this by simply typing ads.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to get started with Google Ads, where you can attract more customers and increase sales through online advertising. Now that you're on the Google Ads homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a sign in button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you sign in with the account associated with your Google Ads to ensure you access the correct dashboard. Once you're logged in, the Google Ads home interface should appear. You'll be greeted with a dashboard that offers insights into your current ad campaigns. Now it's time to navigate towards our main goal, changing the layout. Look at the top navigation bar where you'll find different options such as campaigns, ad groups, and more. To the right of these, you will see an option labeled Tools and Settings. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu which contains various administrative settings and tools for managing your account and the ads you've created. In this menu, locate and click on Appearance. By accessing this section, you have the power to tweak the visual layout of your Google Ads account. Here, Google offers various customization settings, including reverting to the previous interface layout that you might find more comfortable and familiar. Keep in mind that the purpose of these changes is to enhance your user experience, so feel free to explore additional settings if you want to make further adjustments. However, for today's tutorial, our focus remains solely on changing the layout. If at any point you feel uncertain, don't hesitate to consult Google's support resources or revisit this video for reassurance. By familiarizing yourself with the options Google Ads offers, you'll find that personalization can enhance your efficiency and make your advertising efforts more effective. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully reverted your Google Ads interface to its previous layout. Hopefully this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Remember that you can always switch back to the newer design whenever you feel comfortable exploring the updated features. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.